Hey guys, welcome to my channel Divine Knowledge. Today we are diving into fascinating universe of candlestick patterns. If you have ever glanced at price chart and felt overwhelmed, well, don't worry. Candlestick patterns can help you decode market movements and make better trading decisions. As per my trading experience, I have come across these five candlestick patterns. The first one is bullish reversal candlestick patterns. The second one is bearish reversal candlestick pattern. The third one would be bullish continuation candlestick patterns. Fourth would be bearish continuation candlestick patterns. And the final one is indecision candlestick patterns. Among these, there are total 41 different categories of candlestick patterns which we are going to explain in our further videos. Today we are going to discuss about reverse bullish reversal candlestick patterns. Yeah, I know it sounds like mouthful, but trust me, by the end of this video, you will be spotting these patterns like a pro. So make sure to stick around, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, let's talk about the hammer. This little guy has a super unique shape. It's got a small body at the top and a long wick downward. Picture it like a hammer in a toolbox waiting to pound out those low prices. It typically forms after a downtrend, signaling the sellers are getting exhausted and buyers are stepping in. The keyword here, reversal. And the success rate of this pattern would be 60%. Here is the example of hammer. Next one we have inverted hammer. Now don't be fooled by the name. This is also a bullish signal despite being inverted. It looks kind of like regular hammer but with a long wick on the top. This pattern can pop up at the bottom of downtrend, hinting that buyers are starting to take charge. So when you spot this pattern, keep your eyes peeled for a potential trend shift. The success rate of this pattern would be 67%. And here is the example of inverted hammer. Here is a classic, the bullish engulfing pattern. This one is like a big brother taking over. It occurs when a small bearish candlestick is followed by the larger bullish candlestick that completely engulfs it. It's kind of like saying, hey there, wolves are here to take over the party. Perfect time to think about going along if you ask me. The success rate of this pattern would be 62%, and here is the example of bullish engulfing pattern. Moving on to piercing pattern. This one is fascinating. It happens when a bearish candlestick is followed by a bullish one that opens below the previous low but closes at least halfway up the body of bearish candle. It's like market saying, not today bears. This can indicate that a reversal is brewing. The success rate of this pattern would be 64%, and this is how the piercing pattern will look like. Let's look at the morning star. It's one of my personal favorites because it's like a three-part story. First, you have a big bearish candle, then a small one showing indecision, and finally a hefty bullish candle. If you see this pattern, especially after a downtrend, it is a big hint that the bulls might be roaring back. The success rate of this pattern would be 78%, and here is how this morning star pattern will look like. Moving on to 3 white soldier. This one looks gorgeous. 3 consecutive long bullish candlesticks that open and close higher than the previous one. It symbolizes strength, can signal the start of a strong bullish trend. It, if this doesn't get you hyped for trading, I don't know what will. The success rate of this pattern would be 84%, and this is how 3 white soldiers pattern will trend. Let's talk about the white mariposa. It's a single candlestick that opens at the low and closes at the high without any wicks. It screams strength and suggests a strong bullish sentiment in the market. Armed with this knowledge, you're going to feel unstoppable. Here is how to identify the candlestick pattern. And the success rate of this pattern would be 71%. This is how the white Mariposa will look like in the market. Okay, that's it for today, guys. There are 6 more bullish reversal patterns which we will cover up in next part. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with your trading buddies. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool trading tips. Catch you in the next one.